Yeah, we got 2 over here. I got 1 more.
Go, 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 go!
Watch this side, watch it.
Hey!
Shit. I don't even know where the hell I got hit from. Got hit like 7 times in the head though.
Stop hollering, stop hollering.
Come on, dude.
Are you okay?
Holy shit. Comms aren't working. What?
Can you go under there? Or not?
Yeah, you
Are they here?
yeah,
You're out?
yeah. Yo, are comms working for you?
Yo, hospital. I don't even know. We're checking inside.
Alright.
Hospital? We're gonna go
I think they got one in the window. Yeah, they do. They do. They got one in the window.
1, 2, go.
Go.
Thank you.
Shit, can't transition.
The guy bang on the other side. Third wall in.
Third wall?
One, yeah, second wall. On this side, second. I never mind, I got him. Yo, you watch down on the door.
Alright, you get the door. We watch the window then.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do.
There's like 2 of them over there.
I got a flash. Cover. Cover, cover, cover. Cover me, alright? I got it, hold on, give me a sec. Give me 1 second.
Yeah, just chuck it down into the hospital. You get it ready.
Alright, ready? Hold up, hold up. Hold the fire. Watch out. Move.
Watch out, he's gonna throw a grenade up into the hospital, watch out. Alright, yeah, just save it.
Shit. Ready, watch out, ready?
Go. So give me a tornado.
Thunderbeat. It's not fucking going.
No, you can't, don't throw it.
Go. I gotta watch you inside, go.
Watch that window! Keep stay right there. Watch that window, alright?
Watch the side, watch that side. Compound window, watch it.
Compound window?
Yeah. Ah, hit.
No, we're 2 side now. No.
Ah, fuck.
I have 1 shell left.
Yo, screw this sling, dude. This sling sucks.
You don't know how bad that hurt. I got lit up in the knuckles.
Trust me, I do know. Put this in my, do me a favor, put this in my pouch back there.
What's that?
Big one. I gotta go get back and get my grenade. It'll pop try to push a suicide or something.
Want me to take suicide?
I don't know if we have it right now, actually.
No, we don't.
No, we don't?
No, we don't. I just got lit up there.
Alright, I'm gonna go get my grenade, and we'll try to push
Danny
towards
was
it.
by suicide. I don't know where he is now.
Let's go get my grenade. Let's go to the suicide.
I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna go and get your name with you.
Alright, come on.
Where's your name? Fucking I can see it.
He's at the window. Is he at the window?
Window?
Hold on, hold on, hold
There's him. He's right behind.
on. We're good. We're good.
Yo, get up there. You're still in there.
High low, high low. Go, go, go. Go, push up. Go left into the building.
Hey, I got your shoulder. I got your shoulder. Where, the window?
Yeah, I'm pointing that window. You go and go through the building and then go out the right side. And let me know where you're gonna move, all right?
Oh, you want to go through here?
Yeah, through this building.
I'm just trying to pop out over here, right?
All right, go ahead.
Guys, watch suicide.
I gotta get my grenade.
What are you getting?
My grenade, it's up in the hospital.
Get it after the game, it's right.
I'm gonna go to the suicide den. Meg! Go, Twisted, go! Hit it! Right side, Twisted, right side! I'm moving up. Shit. Hold on, come on. We have it? We have it though?
Yeah.
Alright. You watch the right side. You guys, you two take this alley and we'll watch the right side, okay?
Right over here is
Yeah. We got two guys in the hospital, one in the window, one in the main entrance. We just watch your head. They're pushing up, right side. Right side, come on.
Here they are, here they are. We got one in this building right ahead of us. Bang, bang! Yeah, we got it.
There's one in this building ahead of us.
Come on, kid. Thank you.
Maybe I'll just scoot you up.
I'm gonna try and push over there.
Okay.
Hold on, you know what? I gotta think of a better way.
Right in here. Next cross to the right.
Yo, we got one in the right building, right here, right here.
Goggle! Call it! Oh,
Yo, kid, right here, all right? Right in this building ahead of us. They're in this building. You got one guy in there. Heads up. Get suicide, get the suicide.
I'm out of ammo on both mags.
Both mags?
Yeah.
I would give you my pistol, I only got 10 rounds though.
That's right.
What?
That's right. Yeah, my pistol only got 14.
Yeah. Come on, dude. Going low.
Mr. Guys, you can take to the left.
On the right?
Right down.
He's popping in the right hand side.
Hold up, I'm going in, okay? Go. I'm out of ammo, alright? Hold on, give me a sec. No, I'm good. Hey, sorry, dude. My fault. Twisted. Yo, kick. Heads up. Watch this side, okay?